2.
Hi, my name is Elaine, and I just want to share with you my testimony. I've been coming and seeing Dr. Forman for a couple of weeks, and the reason why I'm talking to you is because I really want to share the happiness that I have right now, because I finally was able to address the health issues that I've been dealing with for a couple of years. I've done a lot of research by myself. I mean, a lot. I've read many books, been many seminars. I've paid lots of money for different products. And just with a couple of visits with Dr. Forman, he was able to identify what were the stressors that were not making me heal. And I just want to share that he gets to the point and addresses them right away, all holistically and very reasonable price-wise, which is very important because there's so many gimmicks out there that just cost so much money, and you end up really paying a lot of money for things that actually don't work, and this really works. So I'm very happy about that. Thanks.